Do you have a pain in your shoulder or even your neck that you just want to go away? Let's see if we can help with that in about 5 minutes. Hey guys, it's Jasmine, and this video is a part of my 30-day stress relief series where I take you through general examples of a simple technique that can help you process and alleviate emotions that stress you out or are just holding you back. Before we get started, please make sure to go click that subscribe button below, and you can also check out my stress management playlist where I have a ton more videos just like this one. I also created a downloadable stress relief guide specifically for this series, and you can grab yours for free in the link that I left in the description below. If this is your first time tapping or using EFT, I strongly suggest you watch my intro videos first, and you can do that by clicking on the eye icon right up in that corner. By joining me in this practice, you're also agreeing to take full responsibility for your health, and that includes your physical and emotional well-being. Now, let's get started with today's session. Repeat after me. I am carrying so much stress and pain in my shoulder right now. Or you can use whatever body part is relevant to you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how true does that statement feel to you when you say it? Let's go ahead and get started with the karate chop point and just repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling such pain in my shoulder, I accept myself and how I feel. Even though I feel so much tension and pain in my shoulder, I accept how I feel about this. Even though I feel such an unbearable, tense pain in my shoulder, I deeply and truly love and accept myself. All this pain in my shoulder, and you can also hold on to whatever area it is that's bothering you as you're doing this. It's so frustrating. My muscles feel so tense. This pain in my shoulder. All the stress bundles up in one spot. I just want to feel relief from this. But all I feel is tension and pain. I wish I could just relax. And release this tension and pain. I allow my body to process all of the stress inside of it. I want to gain comfort and mobility. This pain makes it so hard to focus. It makes it so hard to move. This is a sign that I need to relax. I'm ready to release this physical pain and accept comfort throughout my entire body. I let go of this pain from a cellular level. And I choose to breathe and relax. With each breath, I feel more and more relaxed and comfortable. I clear myself of this physical pain and stress. I loosen up my limbs and can physically feel my neck and shoulders loosening up with my limbs and my entire body. I allow myself to feel more and more relaxed from head to toe. And I free myself of any leftover tension in my body. Take a deep breath, have a sip of water, and let's repeat that starting statement, again, using whatever body part is relevant to you and the pain that you're having. I am carrying so much pain and tension in my shoulder. On a scale of 1 to 10, how true does that statement feel to you now? If the feeling is still strong, you can continue tapping until it neutralizes or another emotion takes over. Everyone processes things differently, and there's no harm in taking as long as you need in order to feel calmer or better than you did before you started. I truly hope that this video helped you. Please remember to click the thumbs up below if it did, or if you learned something new today, and remember to share it with anybody else who you think this may help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.